So how can CBT help in addiction? Here at Dara Rehab, cognitive behavioural therapy with our highly qualified counsellors can help you get perspective on why you behave the way you do. For example, we can help you see what cues and situations and which automatic negative thoughts are triggering the addiction. These might be as simple as establishing times of day when you are more likely to use, so your more involved understandings of why exactly you feel the need to escape into your addiction in social situations. A big part of it is helping you become more aware of the core beliefs that underlie your addiction. We also show you how to differentiate between emotions like anger, sadness and boredom, and the physical sensations which often go hand in hand with them. You will also learn how these things interact with your actions and behaviours, which puts you back in the driving seat of your life. Dara Rehab can show you how your automatic negative thoughts, your ants, can lead to your addiction. The CBT we teach you will train you to be a detective of your own mind and help you better identify whether the thoughts you're having are rational responses to the situation you find yourself in, or if they aren't, we will teach you to more productively and positively respond, and your desired behaviours simply flow from there. So for example, I'm a loser becomes I'm not perfect, but I'm okay. And the helpless statement, why me, becomes bad things happen, but I will always have some power to change them.